Hey everybody, Mitch here, going to do our end of day review. Obviously this morning we did catch the nice shorts off of the open and then pretty much sat on hands the rest of the day. My concern was, okay, are we just going to get this kind of listless, grindy chop down into this key support where we didn't really go anywhere, because everything that's below us, as we talk about very often, is supportive. If you're not under it, you're over it. And where does that kind of compel you to a balance? And if you know that all of this is mostly dealer longs and positive gamma, the persistent volatility to keep you down there and sell you under this kind of 74.60 area was very unlikely. If you go back and listen to the pre-market plan video, you will hear me talk about why I thought 74.60 was kind of like the floor on the day. So with that knowledge in your mind, you know that any bidding and any closing of shorts is going to have a kind of a twofold effect. This whole range was very thin and was mostly dealer shorts of small size. But what happened at 10:30 when the London close took place, right? This VIX ended up giving this whole move back. And as that happened, volatility comes off the surface, which leads to a change in delta, which leads to futures being bought that were previously sold out. It just leads to a natural lift. It's called a Vanna rally. And in this case, we just rode that wave all the way up. During the stream, my stream actually ended right at the top as we moved into this little move here. And we talked about the shape on the day and why I wasn't interested in taking that long, and why the risk was always going to be a potential short back down on any kind of selling pressure. What we got instead was this. The same shape below us that gave us support was the same shape that made this resistance. If you're not over it, you're under it. And then we start getting this kind of this pinning sensation. And that's basically what happened, right? This whole range that we stayed over, because we held this 75.20 strike, we just got this persistent kind of bid keeping the floor up under us because of everything that was decaying below. The problem was we just didn't have enough active juice to overcome everything above that was doing the same thing. Every day this dynamic plays out. This is why you generally tend to get tighter and tighter ranges into the close, and very rarely do you finish at a new high of day or a new low of day. We tend to pin in between these strikes, and that happened today. So I do think it was a really strong case for leveraging this and understanding volatility and positioning dynamics, and why we get the moves that we do and the ranges we get. Stay tuned, and we'll check you tomorrow.